So we have an R211A. Yeah. Apparently there's been a fire. Apparently there has been a motherfucking fire at the station. I think further up where the R211 usually goes. So I'm going to conduct an investigation on that shit. And yeah, also work trade. Building, okay. Yeah, there's a work train. My bad. A bunch of slow ass people in my way. I'm about to figure out what the hell is going on. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll see y'all when I get off the train.
The last stop on this train will be World Trade Center. Once again, the last stop on this train will be World Trade Center. This A train will be returning to 207th Street. Once again, this is the last stop on this train. This A train will be returning to 207th Street.
Alright guys, we about to get off the train in a minute. Just stay tuned. So we're currently at World Trade Center where the R211A just terminated. Apparently, yeah. This train's not going to Howard Beach JFK Airport. I'm about to figure out what's going on with this, with the train, and yeah, I don't really do voice reveals during videos, but you guys are gonna have it for today. That's it. I don't want nobody asking me to do another voice reveal or anything like that. It's just a one-time thing. So. Again, we're at World Trade Center. Watch. This is World Trade, right? This is World Trade Center. Excuse me. This train's going to Howard Beach. There's no access to Howard Beach JFK Airport. Further information will be up soon. Apparently there was a track fire going on. So yeah. Excuse me, I got a question. Is there another A train going to Queens or no? Alright. I appreciate it, thank you. Alright guys, so apparently there's no A train to Queens. If you guys are traveling to Howard Beach JFK Airport, you have to take the E train to Suffolk Boulevard, Arch Avenue JFK Airport, and take the air train to Howard Beach JFK Airport. I just asked the conductor the question and she said that there's no A trains going to Queens at this time. So, yeah, there is no A train going to Queens. As you guys can see here, this train's not going to Queens. You see, this is World Trade. You see, so this train is out of service. Well, not out of service per se, but the Queens bound A is out of service. For service to Queens, again, you have to take either the E train to Southern Boulevard and take the JFK Air train. So yeah. Here on the other side of me, there's an R160A. There's an R160E train. I wish it was R160A. Godly times. And yeah.